All right, we out here today in the river. We're out here with my cousin Jer, who hasn't fished in like ages. Well, gotta shake off the rust there. Hopefully the fish are here. I'm hoping they are. Should still be. Yeah, a lot of times they just in this stretch they love to like they hug the wood like crazy. You gotta dig in there. Unless you can summon them out with the popper. There's one. Oh, it's a little guy. A little chunker. Ooh, got a leech on them. Pretty thick. There we go. Oh my goodness. Not the size we want. Fat though. Ooh, I hooked him hella good. I knew I felt a bite. There's one. Oh no. Oh, got up. Oh no, I'm stuck. I see you, you little dude. What the heck? Oh no, tell me he has me wrapped up. Yeah, I'm gonna let him go. There you go, got him. Oh, pretty one. Oh, got him, this is a little guy. Get into a 2-pound range. Woo, 20-pound 9. Pop. Getting a little bit bigger. They opened grand opening today, or first opening today. Oh yeah? Oh, what is that? Pike Nation. First fish for you, it's a pike. Classic pike. That's all you. First bass. Dang, all the small ones are out. Where's all the big ones? Nice, nice. There you go. That's one.
One.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I saw this guy came out. That was pretty cool. I just saw a light brown body. Get a little bigger. Woo. Oh my gosh, it's fat. Yeah, that's a nice kayak fish. Do a quick measurement here. 362. Chunker. She's bleeding from the nose. I'm gonna let this one go because her head's bleeding. Yeah, from the nose right here. See that? Well, there you go. It's nice doing a 1/2 pounder. Oh shoot, you're right. Sorry, next one. We'll catch more, you know? We'll catch more, right? There's plenty more. Oh my goodness.
Oh no, don't go in there. Don't go in there.
Take it out, just watch your head. We got some branches coming up. I'll spot lock. Hey.
Oh no! No!
It came off.
It came off. Oh, that was a decent one.
Oh. Oh. Spot lock on. Oh, little guy. Ooh, that dig. Oh my goodness. You throwing a tube or Texas rig still?
D-bone.
Look at that little pee-wee football right there.
2.
Nice. That, that white belly. Oh! I just saw my line move. I think it's just a branch. Oh, yo. Trying to skip under. That is a fish. So small. Yep, small ones are out today.
That's the only hours of work for me and my wife.
Yeah, so you can counter her work schedule. So small. Well, they're here, they eat it right away. Took it on the drop. Thinkers. Any fish? Oh, there's a lot of fish down there. Okay. Get them all fish. I think it's walleyes, I don't know. Never really counting in the deeper pockets. The bass will usually hang out on the edge. Oh my god, I spoke too soon. Little guy. And a little dink. There's one. Oh, also small though.
Well, yeah, you remember the one anime we were talking about last time? You tagged me?
Oh, the old one, right?
Yeah.
little guy. Shoot, it's called. I know Orochi. That's the 8-headed dragon in there.
Yeah.
I always try to look it up too. I think his name was Takeru.
Yeah.
I remember I had the Monk Dub video. I swear I found the website too. I sent you.
Yeah.
It had all the episodes in there.
Yeah.
I actually never finished it. I have to go back and find it again. They had the song. They had the tight song there too. All I need is your light. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. That was a live action movie too.
Was there?
Yeah.
What?
There's another one. Oh, also a small school in here. Right in the center where the current meet. They are chunky though. These are heavy little dinks. Where's all the big ones? It's like y'all kick all the big ones out.
I don't know.
Yeah, might be a muskie, clean cut. It's just a 5-pound smallmouth.
Right.
Where'd you throw it?
Right there.
What the heck? Let's see if it wants mine.
Right when it dropped.
Damn, I think it's a muskie, dude.
Spit that bitch out.
Oh shit, that's your jackhammer, right? Damn! We were just talking about it. We were just talking about losing jackhammers. Wowzers. Oh, that's a little smallmouth in there. Oh, I got it!
We'll see if you have it in his mouth.
Nope. Little chunker. Oh. That's a good one. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh! Ah! Nice solid 3. Ooh, it's too short. 294. Chunky though. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
I saw that.
That was a bad hook set. No. I should let you throw your whopper popper there. Oh my gosh. That was a decent sized one. Oh my gosh.
Deer.
I did not see that deer. Holy crap. Scared the crap out of me. Oh, it came back. I'm trying to position the damn boat. Oh, you bastard. Took one of my claws too. I'm gonna get this bastard. Come on. Round 3. I'm stuck on a branch. Oh, there it is. Told you I'd get you. Oh, shit. I told you. Oh. Whoa. This guy was hugging it. Look at this tank. Sheesh. Back you go. Okay. Let's pack up and hit up the lake. Whew. Tired of snagging for all these little pound and a half. I'm losing too many jigs. And you lost Jack. Maybe if we were catching 3+ pounder, it'd be worth it. Oh. Ooh. It's fine good.
Not there because I'm sitting down.
You better. Oh! Oh! Oh!
This is one.
I was gonna say, you better stand up. Oh, bring that up. Oh, it's digging. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a good largie. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Yes. Oh, that's a good, maybe 4, pushing 4.
Oh, let's see.
Oh my goodness. It's kind of short, maybe 3.5 at most.
Yeah.
All right. Dang, so pretty.
That's it down.
Very nice. Oh, no largie. Chatterbait?
Yeah.
Wow. Uh-oh, is it an evening bite kind of thing? That's a nice solid 1.5 pounders. Very nice, sir. Very nice. Oh!
There you go.
Oh, it's a little tinker. I didn't even pop it yet. I wonder. Oh, it's a good solid one. It looks small. Let me spot lock here. I think I got it. I got braid on, so. You had the mama. Wow. See, they're usually really fat in here. Nice chunk. Look at that. Pretty.
There, I saw this another figure of him. There's a big one. That's when he did the monkey punch.
Oh, the dragon punch?
No, the dragon punch, but in Goku, Kid Goku form. Remember? He did the
Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
But it's the monkey. It's
Oh, he's
like
a
the
monkey?
yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's like the monkey casing like in the background of him, but it's the monkey. Then you see him coming up. I don't know what's like.
The RX-7, whatever his name is, RX-07.
And I had the dude with the scyther.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, they were like big, dude. Like, I'm talking about like.
There's one. Oh, that's a smallmouth.
Net.
You can net it. It's a nettable fish. Ooh, what's over here? What the heck? Wow, thank you, sir. Here's the fish. This is what we've been missing all day. Oh, feisty. Look how thick it is. Yeah, this is eating. Chunker, holy cow. Too short, man. It's probably just a solid 3-ish. They need to be longer. Got a gut though. Whew. Really rough start to our fall fishing outing. The weather's been way colder than before. It was like 40 degrees in the morning this past weekend here, yesterday and today. So the bite's been really slow. Maybe it'll fire up pretty soon. I'm not too sure. I got 2 more weeks to fish, unless a baby. If you guys didn't already know, I got a baby on the way. If the baby comes out earlier than expected, then no more fishing, and we are pretty much done for the year. So that is pretty much it for now. Hopefully we can go out again next weekend and, you know, catch some big ones. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and peace out.